माननीय सभापती,
स्पीकर सर, एक माझी एक रिक्वेस्ट, म्हापसा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट थिंगा सीलिंग पडपाचें लागला. 3 days has happened. Today again it has for the last 3 days. मान्य मुखेलमंत्री धक्केल घालचे थिंगा स्टाफ आनी सगळे मातशें थिंग चोयचें. इट इज बींग फ्लॅशिंग ऑन गांवकारी हेजेर येयलो आहा, फोटो बी येयला. मातशें ते चॅक कर, मातशें सिरियस आहा. लास्ट 3 days इट इज हॅपनिंग. मातशें अश्युरन्स तरी कितें दी. नोटेड हो.
काल तुम्ही एक रुलींग दिला आणि रुलिंगाचे प्रमाणे 24 वरांनी म्हजे कडच्यान तुम्ही एक एक्सपेक्टेशन दवरला तें क्लियर करपाक हांव हांगा उबो रावलो. स्पीकर सर, एट द आउटसेट हांव सांगूंक सोदतां की लोकशाहीक ह्या सभाघराक आनी तुमकां आय होल्ड यू इन द हायेस्ट रिस्पेक्ट. आय हॅव द हायेस्ट रिगार्ड्स फॉर डेमोक्रेसी, दीस हाऊस एंड द चेअर. हांव 14 वर्सां आमदार आसा. आज 14 वर्सां म्हाका जाल्लीं आहा. हांव ओपोजिशनानूय आशिल्लो, मंत्री म्हणून आशिल्लो, एक टायमार डेप्युटी चीफ मिनिस्टर म्हणून आशिल्लो. म्हणटकर ह्या सभाघराच्या महत्व आनी सिरियसनेस ऑफ द ड्युटीज ऑफ द हाऊस that are conducted whilst in session हे म्हाका पूर्ण जाणीव आसा. Speaker sir, today I am accused of disrupting the business of the session based on an alleged inquiry which unfortunately has been held behind my back. Speaker sir, एक fundamental principle कायद्याचो आसा की कोणाकूच कंडेम करतना अनहर्ड कंडेम करूंक जायना. म्हळ्यार प्रिंसिपल ऑफ नॅचरल जस्टिस that flows from Article 14 of the Constitution of India is one of the most cherished virtues. Speaker sir, I have a right to explain before being held responsible, liable for anything arising out of an unfortunate event which happened on the first day of the session, that is the 6th of March 2026. Inquiry conducted behind my back is only suggestive of the fact that passes were issued by my staff. I don't deny this at all. Speaker sir, however, conclusion arrived is wholly uncalled for and unwarranted. हांव एक लोकप्रतिनिधी आणि स्पीकर सर, फक्त म्हजे मतदारसंघाचे अशें न्ही, पूण सगळे गोंयच्या लोकांच्यो ग्रीवन्सीज आयकप आनी त्यो रिजॉल्व करपाक अटेम्प्ट करप हें म्हजें कर्तव्य जाता. म्हाका लोकांक हावजान येवपाक आनी सेशन अटेंड करपाक पास इश्यू करप होय आमकां एक हक्क तुमी दिल्लो आसा. Exercise of this right cannot be faulted upon, Speaker sir. The rules of business of this house neither frowns on such issuance nor holds the issuer responsible for the subsequent conduct of the invitees while attending the proceedings. हांवें पास इश्यू केल्ले, आतां पास इश्यू केल्ले लोक कशे वागतले हाची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हांव घेवंक शकना. ओ ही घेवची अशें हे हाऊस रुल्स सांगनात. स्पीकर सर, I would like to clarify that I did not foresee any disruptive action that would take place. I had no knowledge of the intention of those people when they requested me for the passes. Speaker sir, inquiry conducted by the chair does not suggest that I instigated this. In today's day and age, we politicians can always be a victim of conspiracy to tarnish our image. Speaker sir, म्हाका जर तो गोंधळ करपाचो आशिल्लो जाल्यार हांव म्हज्या नांवान पास दिवपाचो, वो हांव पास दिवन तातूंत कल्पेबल जावपाचो. तितली तरी तुमी म्हाका तकली आसा, बोर्ड आसा म्हणून मुखेलमंत्री मानतलो आनी म्हाका दिसता तुमी मानतले. आय वूड नॉट लीव अ ट्रेल ऑफ गिल्ट. तितले तरी म्हाका तुमी क्रेडीट करून दिवंक जाय. आनी एक कन्सेप्ट आहा स्पीकर सर, हांव एक लॉ शिकपाक लागिल्लो, हांवें कंप्लीट केलें ना लॉ. हांव स्टुडंट पॉलिटिक्साक पडलो आनी मागीर राजकारणान आयलो. एक मेन्स रिया म्हणटा तो कन्सेप्ट आहा इन क्रिमिनल लॉ. मेन्स रिया म्हणल्यार कितें की द एक्शन एंड द इंटेंशन. एक्शन आहा दॅट आय हॅव इश्यूड पासीस. वॉट इज द इंटेंशन? इंटेंशन जर आशिल्लें जाल्यार हांव तें पासूच इश्यू करनाशिल्लो. सो तुमकांय हें खबर आसतलें. बट रिगार्डलेस ऑफ माय इंटेंशन्स, if it has contributed to an environment that disrespects the integrity, dignity of the chair and of the house, I fully own up to this morally. I will take moral responsibility and express my unconditional apology as you desire and regret for the same. However, Speaker sir, as a responsible member of the House, I would like to suggest an amendment. आता कितें जाता कोणे हावजाक पास कोणाक इश्यू केलो पास इश्यू करप हो आमचो हक्क जाता पूण ताका भितर अलाव करप ना हे तुमचो रायट आसा आता ते कशे वागतले ही गॅरंटी जर आमी दिवची पडली जाल्यार आमी हे हाऊस रुल्स एमेंड करपाक हाजेर डिस्कशन करचें पडटलें सो वी वील हॅव टू टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द पीपल हूम वी आर इश्यूइंग द पास ऑल्सो सो हे अशें जर तुमकां करूंक जाय जाल्यार ताजेरूय डिस्कशन जावचें बट इन द मीन टायम तुमकां जें कितें जाय तें हांवें दिल्लें आहा आनी कितें जाय जाल्यार तुमी सांगचें थँक्यू स्पीकर सर
आम्ही फुडलो विषय घेऊया लक्षवेधी सूचना सर्वश्री विजय सरदेसाय कार्लोस परेरा क्रूज सिल्वा आणि बंदर कप्तान मंत्र्यांचे लक्ष ओडचें
Speaker sir, attention of the House is drawn as regards the people of Goa over the depiction of extensive port limits within village areas in the Coastal Zone Management Plan CZMP 2019 as large stretches of rivers and riverbanks traditionally used by local communities, fishermen and riparian villages now appear to fall within port jurisdiction, creating widespread apprehension that such demarcations could gradually erode the customary rights of Goans over their rivers, restrict traditional access and livelihoods, and open the door for external authorities or commercial interests to exercise greater control over our waterways. And therefore, the government may clarify the basis on which these port limits have been shown and the safeguards in place to protect the rights of local communities.
Speaker sir, the para 6 of the CRZ notification 2019 provides that the coastal states shall revise or update the respective coastal zone management plan framed under CRZ notification 2011. The CRZ notification 2011 at para 8, 3A, 1 provides NDZ shall not be applicable in such areas falling within the notified port limits. Therefore, the National Center for the Sustainable Coastal Management, while preparing the CZMP 2011, sought the details of the port limits to be depicted on the CZMP 2011. The Department of the Environment and Climate Change sought the details of the notified minor port limits for the captain of the port and the major port limits from the Marmagua Port Authority, and same were deposited on the draft CZMP 2011. However, during the public consultation of the CZMP 2011, there was a demand from the public for the removal of the port limit from the CZMP 2011. MAPS and the state government has agreed for the same. CZMP 2019 has been forwarded to the department authorities of the state government, including COP, for there is slightly correction, which is including COP, interdepartmental consultation. However, the same is that to be placed in the public domain for the public consultation. The state government will take the appropriate decision based on the objection and suggestion raised during the public consultation of the CZMP 2019.
Speaker sir, आज गोंयांत आनी गोंयचे गांवांनी एक भंय जाला की आमचो जो आत्मो आहा आमच्या राज्याचो आत्मो म्हणल्यार आमच्यो नदयो ह्योच आमी शेणटात काय कितें अशें असो एक प्रश्न पडला स्पीकर सर फॉर जनरेशन्स द मांडवी जुवारी साल आनी शापोरा हॅव बीन अवर लायफ लायन्स दे आर जस्ट नॉट मियर वॉटरवेज दे आर द सोर्स ऑफ अवर ब्रेड द गार्डियन्स ऑफ अवर खाजन्स and the heart of our identity. पुढून आज स्पीकर सर एक सिस्टमॅटिक इरोजन ऑफ कंट्रोल हे उदकाचो जावपाक लागला सिक्वेन्स कशें जालें हे पयलीं सुरवात जाली 2016 विथ द नॅशनल वॉटरवेज एक्ट जे 6 नदयो आमच्यो नॅशनलायज केल्यो आनीक हो पयलो डॉमिनो असो म्हणूं येता सागरमाला प्रोग्रामाचो आमकां सांगलें की हें डिव्हलपमेंटा खातीर आशिल्लें पूण सगळ्या गोंयकारांक आतां खबर आहा की हें डिव्हलपमेंट न्ही हें कोळशा खातीर आशिल्लें हे आमी पळयलें ओसोल्ड्या आनी शेळवण गेले म्हयन्याक February 2026. Despite fierce local opposition, we saw attempts to operationalize coal handling jetties under the guise of cargo platforms. Speaker sir, काबराल जो सरकाराक सदां सपोर्ट करतालो तो पसून लोकां बरोबर प्रोटेस्टाक दिश्टी पडलो आनी आतां थंय कितें तरी मातसो फटफटता. स्पीकर सर, कुडचड्याचे आनी ओसोल्ड्याचे लोक पणजे आयले. They weren't protesting a project, they were fighting for the air they breathe and the water they fish in. Speaker sir, एक बेतूल पोर्टाचो गोस्ट आहा. सगळ्यात मोस्ट अलार्मिंग डेव्हलपमेंट म्हणते अशें आहा is the resurrection of this Betul port project. Speaker sir, November 2025 on Marmugao Port Authority public memory bypass करून budgetary quotations invite केली to revive this proposal. युनियन मिनिस्ट्रीन एकदा सांगिल्लें की हो प्रोजेक्ट स्क्रॅप जालो म्हणून. Yet the new brief specifically orders a study for rail and road connectivity from Betul to the national highway. हे कित्या खातीर? रेल आनी रोड कनेक्टिविटी फ्रॉम बेतूल टू नॅशनल हायवे कित्या खातीर? नुस्तें व्हरपाक? यू डोंट नीड अ रेल्वे लायन फॉर द बल्क मुवमेंट ऑफ बेसिकली हे कोल आनी बॉक्सायट. स्पीकर सर, हो project poses an existential threat to the river Sahel ecosystem and the pristine tourism belt of Kavelosi and Mobor. Speaker sir, mapping conspiracy ही दुसरी आयली. CZMP and port limits. आमी जर CZMP 2019 पळयलो जाल्यार बॅकडोर एंट्री स्ट्रॅटेजी ही सारकी हाजेर कसलोच डावट ना. कारमोणा विलेज जंय आमचो मानादीक आमदार वेन्झी विएगस रावता, or the village has been shown within the port limits. Speaker sir, the limits are now extending up to the village health center. म्हळ्यार फाल्यां वेन्झी पसून घर रिपेर करतलो जाल्यार तारी मर्मुगांव पोर्ट ऑथॉरिटी फुडें वचचें पडटलें. ही परिस्थिती ताजी आहा अशें हांवें आयकलां. तो उलयतकर तो सांगतलो तुमकां. स्पीकर सर, सरकार कितें म्हणटा ताका मॅपिंग एरर म्हणून. हांव म्हणटा ताका jurisdictional land grab or basically land grab. You are placing villages inside port limits. In other words, you are stripping the local panchayats of their authorities. आणि MPA no development zone मुखेलमंत्र्यान आतां रिप्लायान सांगलां की तांकां NDZ लागना आनी इंडस्ट्रियल इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर बांदपाक तांकां परमिशन मेळटा. म्हणल्यार रेजिडेन्शियल आनी इको सेन्सिटीव एरियांनी हे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर तांकां बांदपाक आमी परमिशन दिता हें करून. स्पीकर सर, आतां एक इल्युजन रिक्लेम कंट्रोल ओवर रिवर्स. सरकारान सांगलां कितें की एक MOU जाला इनलँड वॉटरवेज ऑथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया बरोबर आनी हो MOUचे खातीर वी विल बी एबल टू रिक्लेम कंट्रोल ओवर अवर रिवर्स म्हणून. स्पीकर सर, दिस इज अ लिगल फॅलसी. MOU म्हणतो एक टेम्पररी मॅनेजमेंट एग्रीमेंट. लॉ कायदो हातून बदलूंक शकना. As long as the names of the Goan rivers remain in the schedule of the National Waterways Act, the central government holds the ultimate title. We have not reclaimed control of our rivers back. We have merely been hired to manage them for someone else's profit. आता local benefit ही आजी मीथ पळय कशी आमी एक्सपोज करतात. स्पीकर सर, सगळे म्हणटात की हो आणि सरकार चड करून सांगता की सागरमाला म्हणतो इज इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ गोवन्स आणि इट विल बूस्ट टुरिझम थ्रू क्रूज टर्मिनल्स अँड पॅसेंजर जेटीज. पूण एक फॅक्च्युअल एनालिसीस केली जाल्यार हाजें कंप्लीट दुसऱ्याच दिसता. स्पीकर सर, 24,000 कोटी रुपयाचे प्रोजेक्ट्स एडवान्स केल्ले आहात. हातून लायन शेअर म्हणटा तो बल्क कार्गो बर्ड्स हातून वता, म्हणल्यार बेसिकली कोल एंड आयर्न ओर आनी पोर्ट कनेक्टिविटी. पोर्ट कनेक्टिविटी म्हळ्यार कितें? हायवे एंड रेल्वे एक्सपान्शन. These do not serve the local Goan commuter. They serve mainly only as a logistics for multinational conglomerates. Speaker sir, community initiative म्हणून जे आहा, coastal community development pillar म्हणून आहा of Sagarmala. This promises skill development for locals. हे फक्त पेपराचेर आहा आणि कांयच हातून जावंक ना. There is not a single large-scale operational project under Sagarmala that has significantly increased the income of the Goan traditional fishing community or the local youth. Speaker sir, आमच्यो नद्यो ज्यो आमच्यो आसूंक जाय they are being deleted because of the National Waterways Act. We cannot protect our Khazan lands, our shell fishing communities, our tourism industries with only MOUs and verbal promises. ताजे खातीर हांव स्पीकर सर मागता की that the House takes a decisive stand. One, we should pass a formal resolution demanding the central government to remove the Goa 6 rivers from the National Waterways Act 2016. Number one. Number two, order an immediate freeze on all jetty and port-related projects at Betur, Osolda and Shalwan until this removal is finalized. Number three, direct the GCZMA to immediately rectify the CZMP maps to remove village settlements and Khazan lands from designated port limits. Let us not be the generation that sat in silence while our rivers were turned into cold corridors. Let us act now to restore the rights of Goans over the waters that define us. Speaker sir, thank you very much.
माननीय आमदार कालू साहेब निलेश बाबा कोलोनी
जॉइंट मुझे त्याचे
You speak, sir.
जॉईंट असल्यार कितें जालें उलोवपाक मेळटलें न्ही सगळें
जॉइंट तेन्ना मागीर उलयन दी तेका
No, speaker has the ulopale. I will speak for 2 minutes. He wants to go.
Alright.
Speaker sir, पयली सुवातेर हांव कितें आसता की हे जे ऑनरेबल सीएमान रिप्लाय केला पळय हो व्हेरी स्पेसिफीक आनी करेक्ट रिप्लाय दिल्लो आसा 2011 जेन्ना हो रिजनल प्लॅन आमचे CRZ प्लॅन जालो आय वॉज एट द हेल्म ऑफ अफेर्स एट दॅट टायम अंडर द लिडरशीप ऑफ ऑनरेबल सीएम आनी तेन्नाचो मनोहर पर्रीकर पूण म्हणजे सांगपाचें कितें आहा आतां विजय बाबाक कितें जाला संवय जाला स्पीकर सर की नांव कशेंच घेवपाचें आनी खंय घेवपाचें निलेश काब्राल म्हणटा आसोळडा आनी शेलवना जेटी आसोळडा आनी शेलवना जेटी असो म्हाज्या मतदारसंघात स्पीकर असो भंय दाखयला की थंय कोल येतलो म्हणून आमी तेजेर एगेन्स्ट आसा पयलीं दिसच्यान माय स्टेटमेंट व्हेरी क्लियर
अरे हांवें
कोल
तूं
विल
पळय
कम
हाडटा म्हणून हांवें.
डिस्टर्ब यू लेट मी फिनिश सो
तूं एजिटेट करपाक गेल्लो मरे पळय.
तो काब्राल कोल हाडटा आनी थंय जिखता असो विशय मांडटा
स्पीकर सर आता रिकॉर्ड मातसो चेक करतो काबराल कोल हाडटा म्हणून उगता हांवें खंय म्हणलें हांवें म्हणला काबराल एजिटेट करतालो लोकां बरोबर म्हणून
अरे हांव एजिटेट
स्पीकर सर आतां एकदां म्हाका तुमी रेप्रिमांड केलो पूण आतां काबरालाक दिसला आसतलें हांव भिला बी म्हणून
भिला?
हांव सारको भिवूंक ना
भिवपा प्रश्न हांव सीएम जाता भिवपाची गरज ना म्हणून हांव कसलो भिवपाचो तुका स्पीकर
उलोवंक नाशिल्ले
म्हणजे
गोश्टी
सांगपाचें
तोंडान
कितें आहा की आज 3दा तेणें उलयतना म्हजें नांव घेतलें
अरे नांव घेतलें कितें
अरे हांव सांगता मरे, म्हाका उलोवपाचें मरे, तूच सगळे जाणां अशें करता आमकां कांय खबर ना मागीर हांव आतां काल वेंची भाशेन काल आमदार
निलेश बाब तूं उलय
म्हजें सांगपाचें कितें आहा हांवें ठाणपणान सांगलां लास्ट असेंब्लीन आलेश बाब हांगा मिनिस्टर आसलो एनवायरमेंट तेणें फ्लोर ऑफ द हावस म्हाका प्रॉमिस केल्लें की ज्यो गोश्टी थंय नाका त्यो जावच्यो ना अनफॉर्च्युनेटली ते खंय तरी फुट्या घातल्या ताका लागून हांव म्हाज्या लोकां वांगडा गेलो धरना घेतली आनी ते आमी रिजॉल्व करतले कोल हो म्हणटा पळय स्पीकर सर हो आमच्या मतदारसंघात येवचो ना कोणूय येवन ताका कितें सांगलें पळय म्हजें मेळ्ळें म्हळ्यार कोल येतलो हांवें लोकांक सांगलां पूण आतां कितें जालां स्पीकर सर थोडे लिडर सारके लिडर म्हणटा गोंयचे आनी ते लिडर म्हणटा ते सगळे खंय खंय घुसपाक सोदता आनी घुसता तेन्ना तेंचे फक्त लोकांक एक भंय घालपाचो दाखयता आनी आमीच वांगडा आसा अशें दाखयता स्पीकर सर आमी आमदार न्ही आमकां लोकांक निवडून दिवना तांकां लोकांक निवडून दिला स्पीकर अशें दाखोवंक सोदता आनी हेजे फुडें तांकांच निवडून दितले आनी आमकां घरांत हाडटले अशे विशय पूण तांकां सांगूंक सोदता की काब्रालाचेर लोकांचेर विश्वास आहा थोडे अशे आसता जे थंय हांगा थंय वयता पळय ते लोक आसतले स्पीकर सर तुका खबर आहा तेजेर आनी हांव इतलें सांगता स्पीकर सर ऑनरेबल सीएमान हाका क्लियर बरयल्लें आहा की थंय एक भंय निदान दिला की आमच्या मतदारसंघात आनी जेटी येता आनी हांव जेन्ना मिनिस्टर आशिल्लो तेन्ना परमिशन दिलें स्पीकर सर हांव हांगा क्लियर बरयता स्पीकर हांव तुजें हेजें परमिशन वाचता हावर ड्युरींग द पब्लीक कन्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ CZMP 2011 there was demand from the public for removal of port limits from the CZMP plan 2011 maps and the state government agreed for the same आता स्पीकर सर हो जालो काबार विशय आता 2019चो विशय येयलो तितून परतून येयला स्पीकर सर की सगळे हे विशय जे आसता हे एज पर सेंट्रल नोटिफिकेशन परतून दाखोवपाक पडटा आता परतून पब्लीक कन्स्ट्रक्शन वयतले आमी ओपोज करतले स्पीकर सर दाखोवपाक हांव आसतलो विशय सीएमूय आसतलो सो ह्यो अशें दाखोवन दिता स्पीकर सर आमी आमदार न्ही आमीच आनी कोण ना गोंयान आनी कोण ना गोंय वाचोवपाचें फक्त 2 जाणांचें सोडला हो 3 जाणांनी सोडला आनी आमी सगळे घाटा वयल स्पीकर सर हांव तुज्या स्टेज हांगा फ्लोर ऑफ द हावस हांव सांगता स्पिकर सर ते खंय ते फाल्यां यू टर्न बी मारूं शकता हांव यू टर्न मारचो ना आनी आमच्या मतदारसंघात कोल म्हणटा येवचोच ना आनी गोंयांत दुसरे कडेन खंय जर कोल येवपाचो प्रकट करता हांव सीएमा कडेन विचारतलो हो कोल कसो येयलो तो हेणी सांगपाची गरज ना स्पिकर आसा आमकां कोल येतलो म्हूण आमकां खबर आहा आतां आमी आसतना पयलीं कोणाक परमिशन दिल्लें खंयची युनिट चालू जाल्या ती चालू उरपाची तेका आमी कितें करूं शकता पूण तेका वाडोवपाचे प्रश्न दाखोवचे कोणे हांगा दाखोवन दिवचे की 2012 नंतर वाडोवन दिला म्हण फक्त असो भाशणां करता स्पिकर सर आनी कांयच करना स्पिकर सर इतलें सांगता की CZMP प्लॅन 2000 हांव सीएमाक परतून रिक्वेस्ट करता आतां ऑनरेबल एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर CZMPचो ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर आसा 2019 प्लॅन आतां ड्राफ्ट येता ड्राफ्टाकूच स्पिकर सर ते काडून घेवचे 2011 कशें केल्ले ते भशेन हेच हांव तुका रिक्वेस्ट करता कित्याक आतां 2011 जेन्ना CZMP प्लॅन फायनल जाता इट शूड बी आफ्टर 2011 जे गोष्टी आसा तेजे इनपूट घालपाक मेळटा एक्स्ट्रा घालपाक मेळना हांव नको कशें तशें चुकले ते हांव नको हरीश बाबान पळोवना हांव कोणें पळोवना म्हाका खबर ना 2019 CZMP प्लॅन should have reference of 2011 and should not be put again in what was not part of it. This is very clear as I know what is law and what is this. So I request Honorable CM that before going to public consultation, जे जेटी आनी हे कितें दाखयलेलें पळय हे 2019 पब्लीक कन्सल्टेशन वचची पयलीं काडपाक जाय अशें म्हजो रिक्वेस्ट आसा आनी दुसरें हांवें ऑलरेडी ऑनरेबल सीएमा कडेन लास्ट टायम फ्लोर ऑफ द हावस आनी आतांय रिक्वेस्ट करता ते 2 जेटी पळय आसा हांव फॉलोअप करता ती येवपाक शकनात आमी आयनवराचे हांव सगळ्या होरान सांगता वी आर नॉट अगेन्स्ट इकॉनॉमीक एक्टिविटी आयनवर गोंयान आमच्या मतदारसंघात ते सायडींग एरियान जावपाक जाय स्पिकर सर फाल्यां लोकांनी म्हाका घरा धाडून म्हाका कांय फरक ना पूण आयनवर जाय पूण आमकां हाजडस कार्गो कोल वा एनी अदर हाजडस कार्गो आमच्या मतदारसंघांनी आमी गोंयान खंय हाडपाक दिवचे ना आनी आमी करपाक दिवचे ना हे ताण म्हणून सांगता स्पिकर सर तुमकां आनी ऑनरेबल सीएमक क्लियर सांगता स्पिकर सर आनी थँक्यू स्पिकर सर
Honorable MLA Carlos Wap.
Honorable Speaker, this is a joint calling attention by Vijay Sardesai and me. This is an apprehension of people about identification or demarcation of the port limits on the CZMP.
You wanted to sit there? You should have
I
told
thought
me
we
I
were going
wanted to
for a
sit
wedding.
there.
Yeah.
Simple man.
माझा काजरा वयता म्हणून
सांग पाहिजे मग तशें आनी कितें इतलो ओगी म्हजेर सो तापलो आपल्याक थंय बसपाक जाय म्हणपाचें
Honorable Speaker, what I want to point out. We have got a Major Port Authorities Act 2021. And under that Major Port Authorities Act, I'm giving one copy of that. Take one for CM, one for Honorable Speaker. 3 copy dal hai. Just quickly pass it. This is the second page. Port limits. I marked it there. Honorable Speaker got copy. In relation to a major port means the limits including any piers, jetty, landing places, wharves, quays, docks and other works made on behalf of public for convenience of traffic, for safety of vessels or for the improvement, maintenance or good governance of major ports and its approaches whether within or without high water mark, means inside or outside. Please, this is important, and subject to any rights of private property therein. Any portion of the shore or bank within 50 yards of the high water mark and the area of such major port as may be determined by the central government by way of notification from time to time. That means even in this major port along the coast where there is a major port identified, there is no delineation because it is subject to any rights of private property. So the first thing, if you look at the coastal side of it, this will be a problem of demarcation because if the CRZ freezes the line, that will be a problem for everybody because then you're putting a claim. The moment it comes, please remember, under this act, Major Ports Act, the Port Authority takes control over these, which is a port limit. And then even you may have a town planning, you may have a PDA, anything you may have, they will have no jurisdiction because under the act, it is only the authority which will control any development, including to land a pertinent to that. Please understand that, which is in the port limit. So therefore, this will be the first problem which will be there. The second problem is there is a new bill which has been passed. Now it is passed as a law. I'll just pass this copy. The Indian Ports Bill, which replaces the 1908 Act. So this is now for inland waters. Pass in the same way, one to Honorable Chief Minister, one for Speaker. This is now enforced from last year. Please look at the next page. Port includes any terminal, offshore terminal, shipyard, repair yard, ship breaking yard, bunkering station, captive jetties or roadstead or port facility or single buoy mooring, which is normally used for fueling, refueling, loading, unloading, embarkation or disembarkation of passengers, warehousing, rebuilding or repair or anchoring of vessels or at any other place which a vessel can call, and any part of the navigable river or channel to which this act extends, but shall not include any ships recycling activities. And now look at W. Port limits means the defined boundaries of the area of a port notified under subsection 1 of section 11. Next page I've given that section. Actually 10 and 11 it should be, because that's chapter 3. 10 is no port shall commence or carry on any operation therein unless it is A, an existing port. So for existing port, A will come. And now look at 11. The government may notify a new port and alter its limits or any port, and provided notification shall not have retrospective effect. Now why I'm showing this is, now
But you are not reading the next line. The central government, in consultation with the state government, shall prescribe the norms.
that is for a new port. I'm not on that. I'm only showing that you need to have a notification. Please understand that.
Consultation with the state government.
I'm not questioning jurisdiction. My question is, I'm showing what are the provisions of the law. If these are the provisions of the law for relating port and port limits, then question of CRZ usurping the jurisdiction does not arise. Please understand this, Honorable Speaker. Because in CRZ, as the Honorable Chief Minister pointed out, under the paragraph 8, in fact, that relates to only CRZ 3. Please understand that. CRZ 3, that 8, on the CM you said that 8.3a. When it's 3a, 3 is the CRZ 3. The first point, number 1, is the NDZ shall not be applicable in such area falling within any notified port limits. Please understood that? Because that is, what about CRZ 2? Now look at Panjim. Panjim comes in CRZ 2 right up to Ribandar. So the moment you notify that into a port limit in the CZMP, there were problems will start coming in this way. Because that is excluded directly, because it cannot be. So therefore my question is, this CZMP which is there should not have a port limit, because that will fall under the statutes. Like, let us say another thing. We have what is known as forest. The regional plan cannot say what's a forest, though they say natural cover. Because forest will depend on the Supreme Court definition on Thirumalpet, that judgment which is there, T.N. Godavarman, Thirumalpet judgment, and the Thomas Committee and all those reports which have been done identified the forests. So you don't look at regional plan for identifying forest, you look at those reports for identifying forest. Therefore, in the similar way, the GCZMA cannot, or the central government cannot make a CZMP identifying port limits in the CZMP. That's what I'm saying. It should not be. It will create problems.
That is what we have said, no? 2011 also it was removed. Honorable CM is on record that now also is going to remove. So why are you repeating it?
Being removed. That's it.
He has made, no? Then
No, because I said it's not yet out, because it's under public consultation. This
it
the statement
is
there.
not come under public consultation still. That's what is made in his statement.
See, it's here.
Read his statement, read Honorable CM's statement.
Yes, yes. Have agreed to the same, but please look at it. However, the same is yet to be placed in public domain for public. You place it and then the fears of the people
So
will
we
be
are,
over.
that is why I have corrected him, no, when I was on the seat there, that 2011 CRZ plan never showed port areas. So you should not show it now before going to public domain.
I think
We'll
Honorable.
take that as a reference. We'll take the same as a reference and we'll go forward.
Yes.
Next, go in. To us, huh? Calling attention. Okay, go ahead. Mr. Cruz, Engineer Cruz.
Thank you. Speaker sir, calling attention जो उलयता आसतना पूण सद्या आमी जाणात 2016 एक व्हडली मिस्टेक केला गोवा गव्हर्मेंट. ह्यो आमच्यो सोयी न्हंयो नॅशनलायज केल्यात आनी तितून आमची रिवर्स चालूय केल्या. एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी आसली कांय जो लोक डिपेंडंट आहा त्यो न्हंय भायर दवरपाक, जशें केरला गव्हर्मेंटान केलें ते भाशेन तेमकां जाय त्यो न्हंय तेमी भायर धरली, पूण आमकां आख्खी रिवर्स चाल पासून ती घातली. हजारांनी लोक ते रिवर्स चालाचेर डिपेंडंट आसलो. जेन्ना 2011 प्लॅन आतां कोताक
2011 जे आसा पळयता ना सांगता तुका
2011
हांव मिनिस्टर जालो सांगता ना एक मिनिट ऑनरेबल मेंबर 1 मिनिट ऑनरेबल मेंबर
लोक रस्त्यार येयलो.
Honorable member, you don't know. 1 minute, I'll just tell you. 2011 plan should have been done before 2011. Because 2011 plan was not done in 2011, it was done in 2019.
2011 फायनलायज करता आसतना गांव मिटींग केल्यो एका लागून
झाले मागीर.
कोविड टायमाचेर लोक
एक मिनिट ओके सांगू सोदता पळय.
कोविड टायमार
गुरुज एक मिनिट ऑनरेबल मेंबर की सांगू
Point of
सोदता.
order, I would like to inform you and request you to withdraw your statement where you say that we lost all our rivers. It was during the tenure of late Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar that this agreement was signed with Government of India, wherein all the 6 rivers of Goa were removed from that nationalization clause.
No.
Let me speak.
No.
Let me speak. Don't,
Speaker, sir,
you don't interrupt me. I did not interrupt you.
एक मिनिट let him finish. Let
Please,
him tell.
let me speak. Again, in 2024, with the support of Dr. Pramod Sawant, I have got these 6 rivers. Again, Government of Goa has been given full authority along these 6 rivers. We signed the agreement somewhere in 2025. I remember we went to Assam and we signed this agreement.
So,
If you want, I am no longer minister, so I can't place the
Speaker,
record.
sir,
I will request the CM, our Honorable Chief Minister, to place this
Speaker,
copy on
sir,
the table of the
आता एमएलए इलेक्ट म्हणून सोदता रिवर डिनॅशनलायज जाल्यो डिनॅशनलायज जाल्यार पळय आमकां दाखय.
How many points are there? Who is?
ह्यो डिनॅशनलायज
How many people-
जाल्यार आमकां दाखय पेपर.
One person. Opposition leader. Opposition leader.
डिनॅशनलायज जाल्यार आमकां दाखय.
Engineer Cruz,
Kalus, Kalus, Bab.
1 minute. 1 minute, let me clarify.
Kalus Bab, point of order. Kalus Bab, sir.
Okay, I am on my point of order.
Record with me.
Because
I have the record with me.
डिनॅशनलायज जाल्यो.
I have the record with, please
Yuri,
understand,
Yuri.
I have the record with me
No,
when
let me
Honorable
speak.
CM, then CM Manohar Parrikar said, we will not allow these central agencies, you should throw them out.
Yeah.
But when Parsekar came as
Parsekar.
CM, he said this is a federal system and he allowed this without even a resolution of the House.
Because
I've got,
reply
I'll give the
high.
cabinet notes, I'll give you the file notings.
Because here reply दिलो आहे.
I'll give you the MOU copy, which already the
After
honorable
this-
member is
Wait,
telling you.
wait, after this, what you have, wait, 1 minute.
He
1
said in
minute.
2017.
Under the Act, Inland Waterways Authority Act, there's a schedule. You have to amend the schedule and remove the 6 rivers because the 6 rivers are
We had
notified.
separately the MOU. Honorable Speaker, sir, I'll submit that MOU. I had already asked my.
MOU will be to allow us to
It is
control,
with the Government of India only.
but not removing it.
डिनॅशनलायज
Government of India तो MOU असा.
Nationalized.
काढना.
I will place those two.
Because या आन्सर
We'll
दिलो
please,
आहे.
then you discuss.
या आम्ही
Cruz, you finished?
क्वेश्चनाक रिप्लाय दिलो आहे.
Cruz, Bab, you finished?
ना फिनिश.
Bus. Cruz.
ते सांगता ह्यो नॅशनलायज जाल्यार त्यो डिनॅशनलायज जावपाक जाता आमच्या विजयान सांगले ते भाशेन. कित्याक आतां थंय फाटीं जेन्ना 2019 कोवीड जाल्लें जेन्ना सोगटे तारवटी बाग गोंया येयल्ले आख्खे आमचे तारवट बेकार आहले ते आमचे रिवर्स सालाचेर जियेताले ऑलमोस्ट 2-3 वर्सां. आतां सेम सिट्युएशन आयलो आहा. आतां गल्फा वॉर जाला परत ते येतले. ह्यो रिवर आमकां तेंका सांबाळपा जाय. एक कोण नुस्त्या माता तेंका सांबाळपा जाय कितले एटलिस्ट तेजेर डिपेंडंट तेंचे कितें पोट भरतले ते. सो हांव म्हाका ते डिनॅशनलायज जावच्यो म्हाका दिसता ज्यो आतां सांगलो ते भाशेन आमकां क्वेश्चन गेले आन्सर दिल्ले आहाय. आमी ज्यो आमकां प्रपोजल येयल्ली आमी कांयच दिलो आमी सरेंडर केल्ल्यो त्यो 6 रिवर्स. सो हांव म्हाका आतां 2011 लोकांक बोवाड मारून कोवीड टायमाचेर पासून हियरींग आयले लोक आनी ते पोर्ट लिमीट काडलो. सो हांकां पोत्तो हांगा सीएमान एश्युरन्स दिला पोर्ट लिमीट काड म्हण तो काडचो म्हण मागता. आनी ह्यो रिवर जी आमची रिवर्स चल्ला ती डिनॅशनलायज करची.
आम्ही MOU केला पळय MOU is not it's the temporary management. It is not ownership. The law takes those rivers out of your hand. आणि आता कितें जालां हे CZMP परती येता हो पळय न्ही आतां खबरांत वदळ कितें उलयलां की ड्राफ्टांतले पसून काड ड्राफ्टांत पसून ते आयले कित्याक तुजो MOU is not working or your officers are from Delhi and they obey Delhi more than Goa. This is my charge on the officer. The officer is doing nothing about Madai. The officer is only there to disqualify people. This is my charge. The officer has to be, we have to move a breach against him. If there is a MOU, how did that thing come there? What is the secretary doing? It is not the minister's mistake. It is the officers who have to be brought to book, taken to task. Specifically the secretary environment should be taken to task. ते जाय ते करतात ते दिल्लीचे सर्वंट आहात ते गोंयचे न्ही हे
गोविंद गावडे
सारखे
नका ना Honorable MLA Renji Vegas.
Speaker sir, I stand by in support of the calling attention raised by our colleagues. Speaker sir, in answer on dilo ha ki however during the public consultation of CZMP 2011 there was a demand from the public for removal of the port limits from the CZMP 2011 maps and the state government agreed for the same. Although you are saying that the state government agreed for the same, but in the draft 2019 CZMP, tum agree jalte il na. So whatever we had proposed, whatever we had given during the consultation, and which you say that you have agreed, it has not come. So first of all, there is some kind of a failure here that is happening. They are not listening to the state.
That already Vijay Baba has told you. Anything new is there? Then please
New
tell.
सांगतो गाव. So आख्खो आमगेले गांव, करमणी गांव, कावेलोसीम गांव, वार्किंग गांव, व्हडले गांव, रायट अप टू खारेबान हे सगळे पोर्ट लिमिटा नाक म्हूण आम पयलें सांगलोले. तुमी एग्री जाल्ले गोंयच गव्हर्मेंट आनी तुमगे गोंयच गव्हर्मेंटाक आयकलो ना. सो तेमगे आयकल ना जाल्यार परत 2019 परत हीच परिस्थिती जाली आहे. वी आर बॅक टू स्क्वेअर वन.
And Sanglar, the CM and Honorable CM is on record of the House
I
that
know.
before going for public hearing, it will be removed. So he has told you that.
स्पीकर सर तुका हांव सजमापा सोदिता वो तूं घुसपापा सोदिता तो म्हाका खबर ना. 2011 जेन्ना पब्लीक हियरिंगाक गेल्ले आनी गव्हर्मेंटान जेन्ना सांगलोले तें आयकिल्लें ना जाल्यार 2019 वी हॅव टू मेक शुअर दॅट वी रिइम्पोज वॉट एवर हेज बीन डन. सी आज लोकांक पयलीं सद्या त्रास जाल्या सगळे कावेलोसीम लोकां इतली जाता की जेट्टी येवपा आहे म्हणून
कळ्ळें
एश्योरन्स जाय देयर विल बी नो जेट्टीज कमिंग अप इन द विलेजेस विदाउट द एश्योरन्स कमिंग फ्रॉम द ग्राम सभा ऑफ द
Honorable member Vinesh Borkar.
स्पीकर सर
सारको ना स्पीकर सर.
अरे whatever माय झाले म्हणे.
I am calling attention. You have to give us to speak. No, to continuous more
Who
than
said
interrupt
once?
करता.
You spoke, you are
Not
repeating
even
the
2
same
minutes you are giving us to
Honorable,
speak.
Honorable
not correct.
Vinesh Borkar.
स्पीकर सर आतां जे कॉलिंग एडिशन मूव केल्लें आसा तेका सपोर्ट करपाक आमी उबे रावल्ले आसा. स्पीकर सर जी मुखेलमंत्र्यान रिप्लाय दिल्ली आसा तितून अशें क्लियर कट सांगलेलें आसा की the state government will take appropriate decision based on the objections suggestions raised during the public consultation of the CZMP 2029. म्हटल्यार जो सजेशन्स जे आसा म्हटल्यार तुमी म्हणटा पळय हे स्क्रॅप करतले जावं वॉट एवर सो तशें ना ह्या रिप्लायान क्लियर मेन्शन केल्लें आसा की ते सजेशन म्हणटलो. सो स्पीकर सर आमी पळोवया आयज जेन्ना हें डिस्कशन फुडें व्हरता तेन्ना हांव आमच्या सानंद्रे मतदारसंघाचे मुद्दम सांगपाक सोदतां कित्याक CZMP 2019 ह्या हितून आमच्या सानंद्रे मतदारसंघाच्यो कितल्योश्यो विलेजीस हांगा लागता आगासायम आसूं नेवरा आसूं शिरीगांव आसूं बामोलीम आसूं नावशी आसूं दोंगरी आसूं आदोसीम आसूं ह्यो इंटर कनेक्टींग जावं आमचो कुमारजुआ कॅनल आसा तेका लागता जावं आमच्यो जुवारी बे आसा तेका ह्यो सगल्यो आमच्यो विलेजीस लागता. आनी स्पेसिफिकली सांगपाक गेलें जाल्यार जे नुस्तेकार आमचे भाव आसा ते नुस्तेकार भावांक हे सगळे म्हणल्यार तेंचे बारीकश्यो जेटीज ज्यो आसतल्यो जो लँडींग पॉयंट्स आसा तेंचे दवरपाचो सो हे सगळे जे करतले नाल्यार ह्या सगळ्या पोर्ट लिमिटाक लागता. आतां स्पीकर सर एवरी टायम गेले ते फावट पासून असो इश्यू जाल्लो की थंयच्यान जे एमपीएचे ऑफिसर्स पासून येवन आमचे जे लोकल फिशर फोक्स आसा तांकां डिस्टर्ब करपाचो प्रयत्न हांगा जालो. आनी हे तुमी आतां परत परत सांगता की सीएमान सांगला सो हितून स्पीकर सर तो डिस्टर्बन्स जेन्ना घडटा आमचे पयर आमची मिटींग जाली आमचे जे तिसरकार आतां ट्रेडिशनल तिसऱ्यो आयज आमकां मेळटा ह्यो आगशीच्या वाठारांतले ज्यो एरिया आसा थंय बऱ्यो पैकी आमकां तिसऱ्यो मेळटा. सो ह्या ट्रेडिशनल तिसरकारांक लागून तुमी खंय भोंवता कितें करता तुमकां कितें आसा सो हे जे त्रास आसा हे
कळ्ळें
ना स्पीकर सर आयकूंक तरी घे हे त्रास जे आसा हे पोर्ट ऑथॉरिटी आसा
तिसऱ्यो मार्शल सगळे हाडले
करता स्पीकर ना स्पीकर सर आमकां मुखेलमंत्र्या कडेन विचारपाचें आसा की हे जितले लिमिट्स हाडलेले आसा आतां म्हाका शिरदोना ऑलरेडी लागलेले आसा थंय लिमीट लागल्या आमचे नावशी ऑलरेडी लिमीट लागलेली आसा तुमी आतां भितुरले हितून दुसरें उलयता पूण हें ऑलरेडी लिमीट लागल्या सो ही लिमीट काडटले कशें कित्याक मुखेलमंत्र्यान हेजे एश्युरन्स आमकां दिवपाक जाय फ्लोर ऑफ द हावस हें समज दिना नाल्यार हे जे आमचे नुस्तेकार आसा हे नुस्तेकारांक लॉस जातलो आनी एवरी टायम तुमी म्हणटा मुखेलमंत्र्यान एश्युरन्सूच दिवना अजून हे एश्युरन्स केन्ना मेळटले हो प्रश्न आसा तुमी एश्युरन्स दिला म्हणून सांगता आमी कौस हाडची ना कौस आमच्या शिरदोनाच्या धडार पावलो आतां न्हय आमची शिरदोन जी आसा थंय आगशी आसा थंय कौस जमनीक लागता सो हे मुखेलमंत्री एक लास्ट पॉयंट मुखेलमंत्री एश्युरन्स दिवपाक जाय दुसरे आता हे मेजर पोर्ट्स जे आसा मेजर पोर्ट्स लिमीट ही मेजर पोर्ट्स लिमीट तुम्ही मुरमुगांव पुरती दवरपाची आसली खरें म्हटल्यार मात तुवें आयज कशी जाल्या आयज आमच्या एरियेन बसून ते पावल्या एक मुखेलमंत्री एश्युरन्स दिवपाक जाय की ते जे आता एमपीएचे जे कोण येता ते आमचे नुस्तेकारांक त्रास करपाचे ना फाल्यां बोवाळ जातलो हे पयलूच सांगता
ऑनरेबल एमएलए एल्टन डिकोस्टा
बिकॉज सर जेन्ना तूं हे कोदल्यार बसता तेन्ना आमचे T20 मॅच ते भाशेन अशें वातावरण दिसता ते T20 फटाफट मारले स्कोर मारलो तूं तेश कोन्न कोता 10 म्हयने जाता जाल्यार राव थिंगा स्पीकर सर सी वी मायट बी लेस इन नंबर्स 7 कळना तुका
You speak to the point. You don't speak out of the point. You speak to the resolution.
Yeah.
There is nothing in the resolution which says you are less in number and not. You talk about a resolution.
But we might be less in numbers, but you'll have to listen to us. That is what we are saying.
Yes.
We are
Honorable
speaking
MLA,
for the
please go
vote.
ahead.
We are 7 in numbers.
Honorable MLA, please go ahead. Please go ahead. We are listening to you.
Fast forward konaka.
We are listening to
Very
you.
important.
Speak to the point.
Because sir, codes mutta very important. I am talking particular pertaining to Betul port. जे आता विजय बाबान उल्लेख केला. Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता फाटी एश्युरन्स सरकारा मेळ्ळें ते बेतूल हो पोर्ट सागरमाळा अंडर प्रोजेक्ट अंडर इट वॉज डिनोटिफाईड आनी आसपाना म्हूण बट सडनली 3 म्हयने पयलीं परतून एक हे येयलें टेंडर काडलो फॉर असेसमेंट ऑफ दीस बेतूल पोर्ट what I am saying when it was already denotified it was not there in the Sagarmala project why again it is shown in there and why this tender was been removed speaker sir आता तशें corridor केला from the highway to Betul why it is that why it has to be connected to the national highway what is the reason कित्याक बॉक्सायड हाडपाक कोळस हाडपाक तूं म्हणटा हें कांय करपा ना but what is the reason why this road which is being connected shown from Betul to the national highway this is what the people want to know speaker sir I'll tell you there is a simple thing 3 म्हयने पयलीं आतां जेन्ना हो टेंडर येयला तेच्या पयलीं आमगे फिशींग कम्युनिटी आहा बितलाक तांकां एकल्या मनशान मातशें भटकान आमचे अगेन्स्ट केलें आमचेर अगेन्स्ट कोन्न तांकां हिंगा रावपाक when the Betul port comes, this is the reason I feel because of one crematorium, they were made against us. But the same people have to understand that these people and this party wants to support this Betul project coal so that that coal will be brought in.
Honorable opposition leader. No, he is not speaking. He is not speaking.
Speaker sir,
He doesn't want to speak.
see this is very important sir. तुका Betul portaचे उलयता. You government has to be very clear. Sang honorable chief minister सांगपा जाय बाबा तुगेलो सागरमाला अंडर बेतूल पोर्ट आहा हो ना this clarification I want from the honorable minister.
Speaker sir, I rise to support this calling attention. While I rise to support, I remember when you were environment minister first, the first question and I spoke about the Sagarmala project and its connections at that particular time. Speaker sir, you were the minister and that time you denied that this is about this coal movement. Speaker sir, also you made a statement that post 2012 there are no environment clearances or ECs have वाढोवन दिलना म्हणून कोळशा पासून जे JSW चे जे पड हांव उतर दिलेले there was 5 million metric ton it has been increased to almost 10 million metric ton they have illegally even done 5 million metric tons annually yeah last time Alish Bab he said that they did it without the EC na tu आणखीच मोठा अरे ते चोयताय आमका
Honorable CM, please place on record the house last 10 years.
Sir, Kinga Fortas मध्ये येता जेले. Because the last time honorable chief minister, honorable minister was on record that it had done. माचे पो सांगून येता.
काय झालं सांगता मागेर
ना.
मागेर लिमिट वाढून दिवना
Because sir, आधा एक हांव मुगेले एक
पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर काढले
Because sir, आता हेजेर कितें हा मेन मुद्दो म्हणटा तो की why such extensive port limits have been shown inside the village areas of the CZMP. Number 2, I'll finish my point and he can make it. Because
I want to what you have said. 1 minute. You see, you have said that I said that ECs were not issued. Then
I
repeat-
said that,
repeat the statement.
that EC, there are limits. They did much more than what they were allowed. There is a fine.
Agreed. I've
Yeah,
said
yeah.
that.
Yes, correct.
I've said
That is
that.
what I said.
But it
So-
was only, if I remember,
but-
Jindal people who exceeded.
Correct.
The
They
pollution
exceeded.
board,
Chief Minister is saying, no, they didn't exceed.
no, you spoke of EC. Now,
No, as per their EC only, they exceeded. That's what I'm saying.
I
5
will
million
go,
metric
I will
ton.
go further.
Yeah,
I will go further. Subsequently, the EC has been increased.
exactly.
1 second. But the Goa government, the environment department, till today,
Has not increased.
has not increased it. As such, let me finish. As such, the original permission, if I remember correctly, for
5.5.
5.5, still stands. Though they've got EC permission for 10 odd million tons. So
That is
you,
so the EC centrally, they have given them as
central
10
government
million.
has given.
Yeah, so
But
you all have
Goa-
not given. You all have to give consent to operate under the Air and Water Act.
To consent with that quantity limit of 5.5 million tons.
Because, sir, the reality is, and the minister agrees, that they they are 17, 18, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19. 3 years, 5 million metric ton ahला ते 10 million metric ton केले. अजून सरकार निदलो हा. काहीच करीना.
No.
Still, because now you made your
No,
point.
1
Let
second.
me make
No,
my
on
point.
this point,
Because, sir,
because
let me finish.
No,
He is
because
getting
this is
upset
what-
because the allegations
you
are
have-
not
what
correct.
I have said.
No, not you. I'm
One
saying
second.
now. You,
One second,
you,
one
you
second.
Speaker, sir, he's
Last-
taking
last
it on him.
clarification I'll
When
give
he
and I
was
will say-
environment minister, let me speak. When you were environment minister, you put in the file, you sent to AG to take a legal view and to try to take action.
let-
But it is still pending.
No,
Last
1
session
second.
we took it.
No, it is not as simple as that. The pollution board filed criminal charges against Jindal, whatever is the name of the company. In turn, they went in appeal to the court. The court struck down. Let me finish. And I'm telling the truth, I have nothing to lose. The court struck it down. Then we went to the High Court. The High Court also struck it down. Subsequently, I suggested they go to Supreme Court, which for reasons best known, though I was the minister, was not done.
So, Speaker, sir, the reason is की अपिला गेल नाही. आता जुगले घर किती हात दाखवित रे बाप तू सगळे तर खबर हा मातशे राव रे. स्पीकर सर, हे पड घडटा गोंयकारांमध्ये एक भय निर्माण जाला. गोंयांत कोळसो नाका. ह्यो कोळसो नाका म्हणून गोंयांत ज्या पद्दतीन कोळसो हाडपाचो प्रयत्न आहा. हे मुखेलमंत्रीन पयलो जेन्ना तू स्टेटमेंट करता वाडपाना मू. ऑन द अदर साइड पीपल फियर. Why are these expansions of ports, of jetties happening? The Chief Minister, first of all, the government is at fault. It is clear cut. जे तू सांगता MOU sign माल मू, but has it been notified? It still belongs. They are numbered. कैदी कशे शापोरा मांडोवी त्यांनी नंबर दिला 11, 12, 13, whatever. They are still there in the jurisdiction of the central government. So you need to clarify, Honorable Chief Minister, whether you will दाबोली भाषी उतर दिशी सारखी उतर दी clear cut. You are against it. You have shown in your reply you are against it. But when will you give relief? When will you bring back our rivers back to the state of Goa? What the predecessor chief minister तू नो तुझ्या होण पडाले तेम ते दिल्ले.
Just before Honorable Chief Minister speaks, Honorable Speaker, can I just place this on record, what I
Please,
stated?
please, yeah. Thank
Just
you.
quickly, I
Thank
just
you.
pass
yeah.
this.
Honorable CM, may reply.
Just one moment, I'll just read this. I'll give one to CM quickly. The first page has got this noting of file noting, where when Digambar Kamath was there, he said that matter was placed before the House, and the House has rejected it. Please see that. One to Honorable Speaker. Honorable CM can see that, first page. The second page is where Honorable CM, Mr. Parikar was there. He writes, no central intervention is accepted. DPR is not our baby. We may tell them that the state is not interested in their proposal and throw the central agencies out of Goa jurisdiction. This is what he signed. On the third page, Mr. Parsekar, I agree with the views of my predecessor at page 10. Then in the year 2011, when the then union government was biased towards the state, with changes in government in May 2014 at the center, the attitude of the central government towards the state has changed due to federalism type of governance being followed, whereby central government share of state has increased and the powers also decentralized. Looking at this positive attitude of the union government towards the state government, I agree for proposal X on 3 pages, same is approved. So exactly as I mentioned, first the Congress government said no, Mr. Parrikar also said no, then Parsekar said yes, without taking it before the House. These are the file notings.
स्पीकर सर आयच्या हावजा समोर जे रिजोल्युशन आसा ताजेर उलोवपा खातीर हांव उबो रावला. म्हज्या हावजांतल्या कलिगांनी सगळ्यांत व्हडलो कन्सर्न पोर्टाचो उक्तायलो आनी द पोर्ट लिमिट्स हे दोन कन्सर्न. स्पीकर सर हांव पयलीं सांगपाक सोदतां म्हज्या सरकारान कोल लिमीट केन्नाच वाडोवंक ना, हाज्याय फुडें कोल लिमीट केन्ना वाडच्यो ना MPT केन्नाच वाडच्यो ना. हांव परत सांगता केन्नाच वाडच्यो ना आनी वील नॉट एलाव. ओके. दुसरी गजाल म्हणजे बरेचशे फावटी भंय घालता हांगा कोळसो येतलो थंय कोळसो येतलो. आमी आयन ओर जर सोडलो जाल्यार खंयच्याच जेटीचेर केन्नाच कोळसो हार्डली फ्यू एक दोन जेटीचेर फक्त एक दोन कंपनी यूज करतात, हार्डली फ्यू. बट नवीन खंयसरूच केन्नाच इनलँड वॉटरवेजची जेटीज ही आमी कोळशाक केन्ना यूज करचे ना. हेंय बी हांव परत एकदां सांगता. हार्डली आतां एक्जिस्टींग एक दोन आसात, वेरी फ्यू ते कंपनी हाडटात फक्त भितरल्यो जेटीज ज्यो आहा त्यो. ती ही दुसरी गजाल. तिसरी गजाल म्हणजे गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडियाचे नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ द मेजर पोर्ट ऑथॉरिटीज ॲक्ट. ऑफकोर्स येस, मेजर पोर्ट ऑथॉरिटीज ॲक्ट 2021 बाब कालूसान दाखयलो. ताच्या उपरांत ही हॅड शोड द इंडियन पोर्ट्स बिल. ऑफकोर्स इट इज द थ्रू आउट द इंडिया वेन द गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया पासीस द बिल या ॲक्ट इट इज फॉर द थ्रू आउट द इंडिया. हांव ना म्हणना, इट इज आसा. बट ताच्याच बरोबर हांव एक लक्षात हाडूंक सोदतां की तुमी जो म्हटलो पळय न्ही आमी CZMP 2019 वता आनी ताजो ड्राफ्ट प्लॅन जो आहा पळय न्ही आमी पब्लीक कन्सल्टेशनाक अजून दवरूंक ना. एट प्रेझेंट वीच इज अ ड्राफ्ट प्लॅन वीच इज अ कन्सल्टेशन फॉर विदीन द डिपार्टमेंट. इट इज नॉट फॉर द पब्लीक. तेन्ना एक मिनीट लेट मी कंप्लीट. आतां जेन्ना आमचे कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट देल गिव देअर सजेशन्स. आमी पोर्ट लिमीट जी आसा पळय न्ही ती काडटा भितरली. आमचे कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट जेन्ना सजेशन दितले पोर्ट लिमिटूच आमी काडटले आनी ताच्या उपरांत वील गिव फॉर द पब्लीक कन्सल्टेशन. विशय सोंपलो हितुरलो ते आमी करतले. म्हणून तुमी कितें जाला आमच्या गव्हर्मेंट डिपार्टमेंटा कडलेच कन्सल्टेशन आपय तेच घेवन एट प्रेझेंट सगळ्या लोकांच्या मदीं आसा. म्हणजे दीस इज नॉट फॉर द पब्लीक कन्सल्टेशन, दीस इज फॉर द इंटर डिपार्टमेंटल कन्सल्टेशन. वी आर टेकिंग ऑल द डिपार्टमेंट ऑन बोर्ड. आनी ते जाल्या उपरांत आमी CZMP जेन्ना 2019 जेन्ना वतले तेन्ना कितें तें नाही ऐक तो काडपाचें बरोवपाक जाय कोणी फाल्यां सकाळी कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्टान बरोवपाक जाय. एक सांगता हांव ते जर फाल्यां सकाळी तेंचें कन्सल्टेशन घेवन जर आमी बरयना आमच्यो ज्यो जेटीज आहा पळय न्ही इनलँड वॉटरवेज वेरी आयनोर चलता आमचो. आयनोरच्यो वेगवेगळ्यो जेटीज आहा. तुमी जे डिनोटिफाय कर म्हणटा पळय न्ही आमी डिनोटिफाय जर केलें डायरेक्टली इट वील क्रिएट अ प्रॉब्लेम इन फ्युचर फॉर दीस द स्मॉल इनलँड वॉटरवेज जेटीज आहा पळय न्ही तांकां प्रॉब्लेम जातल्यो. आमी बाय किपींग दॅट म्हणून आमी म्हटलां वी वॉन्ट टू टेक द कन्सल्टेशन ऑफ द COP.
No, we are not asking for denotification. What we are saying, don't mark it on a CZMP.
Exactly right. But that is konache job, the job of the COP. The COP is doing it.
COP and river navigation.
Yes, COP.
Because-
At present is COP.
Right.
And parent department is COP.
Yeah.
म्हणून COP कितें करतले ते
Inland
मॅपा
waters
वयलेच
controlled
काडटले.
by the river
We
navigation.
had written to them.
Right.
Now they'll send. विषय सोंपलो.
And it's out. Once you remove
Yeah.
it from there, the apprehension
रायट
is over.
एक्झॅक्टली. तेकाच लागून म्हाजी सगळ्या जाणांक रिक्वेस्ट आहा त्या खातीर स्पीकर सर आमी खंयची रिवर सरेंडर करूंक ना. प्रत्येक फावटी 6 रिवर म्हणटाले आमी दिले आमी दिवंक ना आनी आमकां खंयचीच रिवर गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडियाकूय दिवपाची ना. गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया हांगासल्यो रिवरी ह्यो हांगासरूच उरपाच्यो गोंयकारा खातीरूच उरपाच्यो. आनी बाप आमच्या एलेक्स बाबान जो सांगला तो MOU जो आहा पळय न्ही तो सेपरेटली तेज्या उपरांत MOU आमी केला. हो MOU जो आहा पळय न्ही आय एम प्लेसिंग ऑन द टेबल ऑफ द हाऊस सो दॅट लेट देम गो थ्रू इट. आनी एक हांव गोंयकारांक आश्वस्त करता हाज्या फुडें कोळसो वाडचो ना आनी हाज्या फुडें खंयचीच न्हंय जी आहा पळय न्ही ही गोंयकारांची वयची ना. ती गोंयकारा कडेन उरतली. जावं ती जुवारी किंवा बाकीच्यो सगळ्यो हे हांव क्लियर करता.
Just one moment. That act, Inland Waterways Act, has a schedule where our 6 rivers have been put in that.
Remove
If
it.
that can be removed, the
Yeah.
chapter is closed.
Because sir, for
Main
that
demand
purpose
आमचो.
only we did the MOU. Okay.
डबल इंजिनाचो प्रेशर वापर काड ते भायर.
Because sir, we did the MOU आणि परत त्या ऍक्टान जे म्हटलं पहिले इन कन्सल्टेशन विथ द स्टेट. तुम्हीच दिला. तिथून इन कन्सल्टेशन विथ द स्टेट. It is the para 2.
कार्ड नव्हती नाव कार्ड ती केदी कसं कित्याक दोतोय तुमी तांकां कार्ड नाव कार्ड
Because sir,
We will
I
pass
have
the
cleared
resolution,
everything.
resolution.
Maka this, I have cleared everything of this resolution.
you have cleared
आमचे
तो
जे
केदी
already
दिल्ली
port
हाय
limit
दिल्ली
येयल्ली
आसे
आसा.
पाशी हाय
Because
मातशें
sir,
कार्ड
Govind
पावर
Gowde.
यूज कर
पोर्ट लिमिट ऑलरेडी येयल्ली आसा ती कितें करता?
Govind Gowde, MLA, please move.
तेच सांगले पोर्ट लिमिट जी आहा पळय न्ही ती आमी आतां सीओपी जो आहा पळय न्ही सीओपी आपले जेन्ना सजेशन दितलो तेन्ना ती पोर्ट लिमिट काडून आमी 2019 प्लॅन पब्लीक कन्सल्टेशनाक येतले. टेल हिम
काडपाचें.
काडून येतले ते.
दवरपाक ना.
हय. Tell.
MLA, may please call the attention of the Minister for Social Welfare and Ministers for Women and Child Development.
Because attention of the House is drawn as regards the apprehension in the minds of the people, as regards the recovery proceedings that have been initiated against economical weaker families under the Griha